Good morning, one and all. Welcome back to Red's Homestead. Today is a very special day. Today, I am on vacation. It's been a long time. I think my last vacation was technically in June when I went to Texas to go visit family. Although, I mean, we were out September-ish with COVID, and that was kind of a vacation, but this is finally the first true vacation. And let me tell you, there's projects that's got to get done. So if you like the project videos, the next few are going to be quite filled. Biggest one will be the chickshaw. Got to get that built and ready for the spring for when our chickens come in. And also gonna try to get the fence up front with the gate, get all that completed. But the first thing, like today, is all those trees that we lost during the snowstorm. Gonna get those all cleared, and Shannon's probably gonna help after she takes the kids to school. And yeah, so today is mostly tree cutting. It's gonna get cold again tonight. They're saying it may snow again, very small chance, but then it's gonna drop to the 20s and to the teens going through my vacation. So trying to plan it out to where the nasty weather, I'll be inside my workshop building the chickshaw and trying to take advantage of the non-rainy or snowy days to get some outside stuff done. And I tell you what, we're gonna have a ton of firewood. So here we go. Something what I also want to do is I want to get these shears sharpened up. And if you look at closely, it's all notched and definitely not sharp anymore. So I'm gonna take it over here to my bench grinder. I've never actually done these before. I've done knives and stuff and axes, but see how well the shears can get sharpened up with this guy. Got it. It's hard to see. It's a little better. Now I'm just going to sharpen it on a stone. Well, I do say she will cut again. Nice smooth edges, a nice sharp blade. Fantastic. Now, hopefully I remember how to put this thing back together. Never taken one of these things apart. Didn't take pictures. We'll see. I do believe we are back in business. All right, I'll load it up on my tools. All loaded up, ready to go. I think I heard the wifey. I think she's also back. At least I heard the gate. So I'm sure she'll grab the pole saw and meet me down there. All right, so there's the tree and the tree of what we're looking at. And I figure while we're down here, I might as well get these pines too. So let's see how this works. I think I'm just gonna time lapse from here because this might take a while. Well, I had to stop recording because my battery is just about to die. But Shannon's wrapping up the last of the limbs. Got a whole pile right there. And all that right there. Whew, tired. Take a break. All right, we got food in our bellies. The front is done, at least for what's fallen off. The front's done. Still got more. Huh?
This one's bigger.
This one's a little bigger. Well, yeah, longer.
Longer.
But
Wider. A lot
and
more
more branches. Yes. So I need that wood chipper up and running, or brought out. I'm gonna try to do that this week too. Get the wood chipper out here so we can start chipping. But now, gotta tackle this tree. And probably more. Well, we are calling it a day on the chainsawing. 6 hours of chainsawing and hauling.
I wonder how much more we get done on your vacation.
I'm exhausted. My arms are gonna hurt tomorrow. But the chainsaw held up.